Worried about what could happen if banks face disruptions or limits on your accounts? There is a way to hold part of your retirement outside the system. Physical gold and silver provide a unique benefit. They exist outside of traditional financial institutions and market systems. That means your retirement savings are not tied to a bank's stability, trading hours, or third party restrictions. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that owning coins or bars offers tangible control and security. You can store them safely in a vault, and they can be accessed or converted as needed, without relying on a financial intermediary. This guide shows how holding metals outside the banking system can provide a protective layer for your retirement savings, helping you feel more in control during uncertain times. I'll link this guide in the description. And this guide is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Company Integrity Checklist and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a clear, informed perspective on diversifying with gold and silver. You can download the bundle for free and learn step by step how to safeguard part of your savings with metals outside the banking system. You can find the link in the description.